Okay, that was pretty quick. Okay. Got the parts in. Let's load these in my car, take it to the shop. Alright, so I got this from FC2 Euro. Very good company, shipping is super quick. I always pick up like engine parts from these guys, so. Here's what we got. Got the L-ring kit to just seal up the entire engine. That's pretty nice packaging here. Got the rear main seal and the front crank seal. Very nice. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to episode 2 of this E36 build. I did say I was gonna work on the engine, fully take everything apart, put it back together, but I just now remembered, literally like a couple days ago, that I had a M54 B30 engine that I bought like maybe 3-4 years ago. And if you guys know anything about that engine, if you guys are like in the forum space and whatnot, people swap in the M54 B30 internals into either an M50 or an M52. They also swap the M54 intake cam onto an M50 or M52 head. So it basically makes it a 3.0, like, because the M54 has a longer stroke. So that's kind of what I've been thinking about doing. So I'm kind of doing a lot more research on it. And if everything goes well, I'm gonna start ordering, new main bearings, rod bearings, and piston rings. And before I even do that, I want to bring the engine into the shop and actually take it all apart to make sure that rotating assembly is even good, because I had it just somewhere in the back, just all tarped up, and it's just been laying there for just a while. So yeah, and I'm not sure on the condition of the internals. If they're garbage and they're not going to work, then I'm just going to probably throw away that idea, because it's just not going to be worth it to find another one. This is just what the engine looks like now. Put it on my stand. Took most of the accessories off, just got to remove the AC bracket, oil filter housing. There's a few more things up front. So there's going to be a little hold off on the engine build, but in the meantime, while we're waiting on all that, I do have a set of style 5s that I also had these just somewhere in the shop also. I picked these up like a year ago, and they're all painted gold, but these were prepped somewhat with decent. I literally just got a blowgun and I just stripped off all that paint. But yeah, whoever painted them, they didn't really do a good job. So I decided to just sand them down like really well. I'm working on getting them sanded, and I will be repainting them just this bronze. It's a metallic antique brass. I'm just gonna clean them up, spray paint them real quick, and this should be good to go. So without any further ado, I'll just do less talking and let's just jump right into this. Alright, wheels are scuffed. Let me degrease them real quick, wipe them down, and start laying down some paint on these wheels. that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for part 3. I'll see you guys in the next video.